Up to this point, we've mostly been focusing on how to work with organic social media. However, you will probably combine organic posts with paid social media to help meet marketing goals more effectively. In this video, we'll discuss how to use paid social media to achieve specific goals. Organic and paid social media work together, and they are both important parts of a strong social media strategy. You already learned that you can use organic social media to gain new customers and followers, promote your brand, and conduct audience research. You can use paid social media to accomplish these goals as well. Paid social media can also be used to achieve some different goals. We've discussed how organic social media is ideal for nurturing connections with customers through communication and relationship building. Paid social media, on the other hand, is best for raising brand awareness, targeting specific audiences, and driving conversions. Let's talk about how you can use paid social media to help achieve these goals. Previously, you learned that you can gather data about your content's performance using analytics tools. By analyzing this data, you can identify the content that resonates most with your target audience. Then, you can use funds from your paid media budget to boost top-performing organic content so it reaches more people. For example, you can use a tool like the Promote feature in Hootsuite to select your top posts and boost them. Or you can set up automatic triggers to boost successful posts based on your criteria you select. I promoted a video I produced on the importance of taking a human-centric approach to marketing. Promoting the video helped us reach even more users and scale the impact of our content. You can also use paid social media to target your ideal customer more precisely. Using the data you've gathered about your existing customers, you can create lookalike audiences. A lookalike audience is composed of people with similar demographics and behaviors who haven't yet been introduced to your brand. For example, you might create a lookalike audience similar to customers who have purchased from you in the past 6 months. Then you can craft ads that are highly relevant to that audience. Before running an ad, you can use A/B testing to optimize it. Previously, we discussed using A/B testing to compare two versions of the same web page. For social media, A/B testing involves comparing two versions of an ad to determine which has the higher conversion rate. Social ads cost money, and you want to make sure that money is well spent. Before you devote a hefty chunk of your social media budget to an ad, you can test it with a smaller audience to see how well it performs. Using A/B testing, you can assess the strength of your ad's messaging, calls to action, copywriting, visuals, placements, and formats. You can also test your ad among different demographic groups. Based on the results of your tests, you can adjust your ad to improve its performance. A/B testing your organic posts can provide valuable insights about what content performs best. This can help you make decisions about what content you should pay to promote and what elements to include in your ads. And finally, you can remarket ads on social media to drive more conversions. Through remarketing, you can reach people who are already familiar with your business. For example, let's say a person adds a pair of jeans to their shopping cart on your website but doesn't follow through with the purchase. By nudging them with a remarketing ad for that pair of jeans or similar items in their social media feed, you may be able to move them into the conversion stage. When used strategically to achieve specific goals, paid social media can be highly effective at moving your customers through the marketing funnel. Coming up, we'll talk more about how to develop your paid social media strategy.